We've got 2 inches here. So you can go ahead and pull these off now. And again, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your hose clamp. You can use a zip tie if you want, but take a hose clamp, put it around this, use your pencil, draw a nice clean cut line on both sides, and then I'm going to cut both of these. I'll walk you through briefly rehanging the back box, which hopefully you won't need to do, because now you know it's 7 inches and 2 inches and you can cut this in place. Okay, but then we're going to rehang the back box and we'll start putting the new pipes in. All right, guys, really quickly, here's the back box. As you can see, we're gonna walk this right back up and hang it back up into place with these 4 hangers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it'll just be hanging back underneath the car. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do that first so it's really easy to measure and get it up in. Then we're gonna hang the mid pipe off of the down pipes, because the nice thing there is that's going to hang in place. Now, the one thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to take off this upper hanger. This is a rubber grommet over a post. So just slowly work this off and put this onto the hanger on the new mid pipe, which is gonna hang it in place. So the only thing that'll be loose at that point is the connection between the AB pipes and the back box. I know that probably sounds like a lot. It's really straightforward. Let me get the back box on and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, y'all, so let's talk about hanging the mid pipe here. As you can tell, the back box is on, all 4 hangers are in place, and it holds it in place really nicely. The nice thing about the mid pipe up here is it's gonna be held into place as well, because remember, we transferred that hanger, and that hanger is going to go right here. So you're gonna bring the mid pipe up, slide it over your 4 posts, 1, 2, 3, 4.